Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about different kind of the teeth, and we are going to discuss the structure of the teeth and some terms related with the teeth. Teeth is the most important part of our body that is inside our mouth. This is our upper jaw, this is our lower jaw. Upper jaw and lower jaw के बीच में जो teeth होते हैं that is called that is teeth actually. Okay, before starting for the explanation, I will ask one question and you can leave your answer in comment box. This is a very funny question just for a fun. That suppose a father is a black man and the mother is a very fair white lady. If they got married at the time of the birth, what will be the color of the teeth of the child when the child was born? You can leave your answer in comment box. Anyway, let's start today's topic. So before starting today's topic, let's discuss different terms for the teeth. The one term which is given in your book is homodont. What is homodont? Homo means same and don't means teeth. Homodont are the teeth in which, or the organism in which all teeth are of the same kind. Means the structure, shape and the size, it is similar. It generally occurs in fishes and reptiles. The another term is heterodont teeth. Hetero means different and don't means teeth. When we have a different kind of teeth, human being have heterodont teeth because we have four kind of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Here I would like to share one thing. आपने एक बहुत कॉमन एक हिंदी में फ्रेज सुना है, मुहावरा सुना है कि मैं तुम्हारी बत्तीसी तोड़ दूंगा. You know, as per the new scientific study and latest scientific study, nowadays we have a one molar teeth. हमारे अंदर मोलर टीथ होते हैं जिनको हम विजडम टीथ कहते हैं या अक्कल दाढ़ कहते हैं. Nowadays many of you are not having wisdom teeth. बहुत सारे बच्चों के विजडम टीथ नहीं होते हैं. आप लोग काउंट करने मत बैठ जाना क्योंकि अभी आपके विजडम टीथ आए भी नहीं होंगे. ओके, तो आप अपने घर में इफ़ यू हैव सम एडल्ट ऑफ 18 प्लस एज, यू कैन आस्क देम टू काउंट एंड जस्ट काउंट whether they have 32 teeth or not. Many of them, I'm not saying कि सबके साथ में होता है, but कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जिनमें आजकल 32 दांत नहीं होते हैं. तो यदि 32 दांत नहीं होते हैं और अब आजकल 28 दांत होने लगे हैं तो हमारा हिंदी का मुहावरा चेंज हो जाएगा फ्रॉम तेरी बत्तीसी तोड़ दूंगा या बत्तीसी क्यों दिखा रहे हो से 28 क्यों दिखा रहे हो. राइट, इसका रीज़न क्या है पहले हम इसको समझें. इसका रीज़न है nowadays we people are not feeding raw food. I mean we are not eating raw fruit and vegetables. बहुत ज़्यादा सैलड नहीं खाते हैं, शुगर केन जैसी चीज़ें नहीं खाते हैं, रेडिश जैसी उतना हम पॉपुलर नहीं है खाने में, बहुत इजीली नहीं खा रहे हैं. जनरली हम कुक्ड फूड पे ज़्यादा आजकल डिपेंडेंट हैं. दैट्स वाई हमारा च्विंग कैपेसिटी ख़त्म होता जा रहा है या च्विंग इज़ नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. इसलिए हमारा जो फेस का ये पोर्शन है थोड़ा नैरो होने लगा है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट बहुत सारा एवोल्यूशन है. दिस इज़ नॉट ओनली अ रीज़न बट दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द रीज़न. तो हम इस एवोल्यूशन की वजह से हमारा जो फेस का ये पार्ट है ये थोड़ा नैरो हो रहा है. इट इज़ नॉट प्रोवाइडिंग स्पेस फॉर द विजडम टीथ. दैट्स वाई अभी विजडम टीथ धीरे 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 कम होने लगे हैं. अभी इस पूरे एवोल्यूशन को कि हम कहें कि लोगों में अब 28 दांत होंगे और हम आगे से ये पढ़ाना शुरू करें, इसमें भी बहुत टाइम लगेगा. बट दिस इज जस्ट फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन. ओके, सो वी हैव डिस्कस हेटेरोडोंट टीथ. नाउ द अनदर टर्म इज डायोफायोडोंट टीथ. Diophyodont teeth means the teeth is visible or appear in the body in entire life for twice. दो बार डायोफायोडोंट टीथ होते हैं जो दो बार हमारे जीवन में आते हैं. Like in human being, first we have milk teeth, that is also known as primary teeth, and later on we have permanent teeth. The another one is thecodont teeth. Thecodont teeth. Thecodont teeth means in our body, in human beings specifically, teeth are thecodont. All these three are the characteristics of human being. Thecodont teeth means our teeth is embedded in a one रूट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, एक ऐसे कुछ है जिसके अंदर कस्प बोलते हैं, उस कस्प के अंदर टीथ होता है. लाइक दिस इज वन कस्प and on it there is a teeth. So this is your teeth, okay, and that is called cusp. This kind of teeth is known thecodont, जो किसी चीज के अंदर धंसा हुआ है. Okay, so these were the basic terms related with the teeth. Now we are going to discuss what are the different kind of teeth in human being. In human being, different kind of teeth are four kind of teeth we have: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Incisor is for biting and canine for tearing of the food. This first middle teeth is known as incisor. After that we have canine. दोनों तरफ canine teeth होते हैं, that is for the tearing of the food. Canine teeth is most developed in carnivorous, means the animals, those who are feeding on the animals, because they have to tear the flesh. Then we have premolar and molar. So what is the on that basis we have one dentition formula, dentine formula. इसके हिसाब से हम लिखते हैं 2 1 2 3, means there are 2 incisor, 1 canine, 2 premolar and 2 molar and 3 premolar. Okay, 2 1 2 3, 2 incisor, 1 canine, 2 molar and 3 premolar. So this is our, generally this is our jaw, and here we have teeth. So this formula is for this half. Then we have 2 1 2 3, start तो यहीं से होगा. I couldn't write the mirror image here. Okay, 2 1 2 3 इस तरीके से होगा. हाँ, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग. So 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 3. In total, how many teeth are there? 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 plus 8. 8 multiplied by 4. So we have this 4 set, and in total we have 32 teeth. Okay, so this is the general study for the different kind of teeth. Already you people have done in junior classes, in 6th standard, in I believe in 7th standard also, so that you can understand very easily. Sometime we have some gap between two teeth. दो दांत के बीच में थोड़ा गैप होता है, that is called diastema. And sometimes the diastema is filled by the age, but sometimes it may remain till the adult stage or even to the later stages also. So these are the different terms which we use for the teeth. Basically in human being we have two kind of the teeth. One is milk teeth, that is a deciduous teeth, which comes after the age of 7 months or 8 months पे आना शुरू होते हैं, and by the age of 8 to 12 years we have all teeth, and that all teeth are milk teeth. But after the age of 8 or 12 they start falling, and then we have the permanent teeth, and that permanent teeth remain in our body till the age of 50 or 60, depend person to person. So this is the basic criteria for teeth. Now what is the function of teeth? Teeth is required for biting of the food. Teeth is required for the chewing of the food. Teeth is required for the tearing something. Teeth is required for biting, chewing, tearing and all these things. Food की mastication के लिए teeth required है. Without teeth we cannot digest we cannot masticate the food. हमें थोड़ा difficult होगा. Okay, so let's discuss the general structure of tooth. यदि हम एक tooth के structure के बारे में बात करें तो कैसा structure है? First, this is a pulp cavity. Now around the pulp cavity there is this is the pulp cavity. Around the pulp cavity there is a dentine region, and I will rub this. Okay, in dentine region we have yellow color mass. This is the living part of the tooth. You have to practice this diagram in your notebook, even in your practical file. Okay, and this is the outermost visible part, that is called crown. Okay, this is gum region. गम हिंदी वाला गम नहीं है, जैसे गम होता है जिसके अंदर ये एम्बेडेड होते हैं, उस रीजन को हम कहते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज द हार्डेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द टीथ, दैट इज कॉल्ड इनेमल. This is the lower part, that is called dentine. Here we have some ligaments which connect these part. This is called periodontal ligament. This one region, this small region is called, I will mark it here. This small region is called root, and this region is called crown. Okay, and this is the gum region. So basically you have to learn these parts, and inside it there is some blood vessels, and you have some nerve fibers also. Let's discuss each part now. Enamel is the before discussion of this entire structure of tooth, let's revise one nursery rhyme, that Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Now all of you might be thinking that why I am sharing this nursery rhyme here. Now my question is, I will tell you why I am sharing here. Now the question is that there is a line, Jack fell down and broke his crown. So what crown we are talking about? The crown which is used by a king. यदि ऐसा है तो वो फिर नदी से पानी खींचने क्यों गया? वो तो अपने किसी सेनापति को बोल देता, अपने किसी दास को बोल देता, हाँ कर सकता था ना. नहीं, that is not that crown. They are in this rhyme, they are talking about the crown. This crown they are talking about. This is the white visible part of our tooth. This white visible part, जितना पार्ट हमें दिखाई देता है, that is the crown. अब पूरी पोएम को फिर से राइम को सुनिए. जैक एंड जिल वेंट अप द हिल. दो बहन है, भाई हैं या फ्रेंड्स हैं, वो हिल पर गए. जैक फेल डाउन, जैक नीचे गिर गया. ब्रोक हिज क्राउन, क्राउन मीन्स उसका दांत का पार्ट टूट गया. ओके, सो इन दैट राइम वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट क्राउन, थ्रोन वाला जो क्राउन होता है. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्राउन, दैट वाइट विजिबल पार्ट ऑफ द टीथ. ओके, okay, so I hope it is clear now. So what is the enamel? Enamel is the hardest part of our body. When we die, our enamel will not distinguished. Enamel बहुत मुश्किल से ख़त्म होता है. Enamel जो है वो हमारी बॉडी का hardest part है. That is basically transparent in color, or you can say white in color. Below it we have dent, and it is made up of calcium. ये minerals का बना होता है, and it contains high amount of calcium. Below it we have dentine, and this dentine region is below the calcium region, enamel region, and it consists of less calcium. इसके पास में comparatively less calcium होता है. Okay, this dentine is the living part of the tooth. ये tooth का living part है, so it keeps on dividing for the growth of the tooth. It consists of yellow color mass. Okay, and because of that our teeth is not see, enamel is transparent in or white basically in color, but it seems yellowish in color due to presence of dentine की वजह से. बाय द एज, जैसे जैसे हमारी एज होती है इनेमल एक्सपोज हो जाता है, ख़त्म होता चला जाता है. एंड दैट्स वाई इन ओल्ड एज आर टीथ विजिबल मोर येलोइश इन कलर, बिकॉज अब डेंटाइन जो है बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपोज हो रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा विजिबल हो रहा है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट्स गिव्स पेल येलो कलर हमें टीथ को मिलता है. द थर्ड पार्ट इज पेरिडोंटल लिगामेंट. These small parts which connect this crown region with the root region, that is called periodontal ligament. Peri means चारों तरफ, dontal means दांत, ligaments means which connect two bones. This is also a bony region and ये पूरा teeth एक jaw के अंदर है, that is also a bony region. तो वो दोनों bone को connect करने के लिए here we have ligament. देखो जैसे हम लोग एक घर बनाते हैं, घर में कोई एक विंडो को हमने नए घर में लगाना है या कोई जब दरवाज़ा लगाते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, उसको पहले सीमेंट में दबाते हैं, फिर दोनों तरफ से उसको किसी एक बड़े रस्से से बांध देते हैं टू मेक इट द फिक्स पोजीशन. इन द सिमिलर वे वी हैव पेरिडोंटल लिगामेंट फॉर द फिक्सिंग ऑफ द टूथ विद द गम. ओके, देन दिस रीजन इज नोन एज दिस इंटायर इनर रीजन. This region is known as pulp. ये region pulp है. And this pulp consists of two parts. This is the blood supply. Okay. Teeth is doing lot of work. They are chewing, they are biting, they are tearing. For that they need energy. And for energy they need oxygen. And for oxygen they need blood. So blood supply is through the pulp. Inside the pulp we have the blood vessels. Now टीथ ऑल्सो हैव सेंसेशन. आपको ठंडा पता चलता है, सेंसोडाइन का ऐड आता है ना, ठंडा पता चल रहा है, हमें गर्म पता चलता है. दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द नर्व्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन पल्प कैविटी. सो पल्प कैविटी कंसिस्ट ऑफ नर्व्स एज वेल एज द ब्लड वेसल्स. Blood vessels provide the nourishment and nerves provide the sensation. That is called the pulp cavity. Okay, inside the pulp cavity. This region where the teeth is embedded, जहाँ teeth लगा होता है, that region is called gum. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, gum बोलते हैं. The region which is जो crown से और इसके root के बीच का part है, इसके jaw के बीच का part है, this small region is known as root, जहाँ से वो fix होता है. And the part of the tooth which is visible, जो हमें दिखाई दे रहा है, that part is called crown. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, crown. Now this is the structure of a tooth which have one cusp. Okay, similarly we can draw the structure in which we have two cusp. So हम दो cusp वाला भी structure बना सकते हैं, हम first cusp वाला भी structure बना सकते हैं. But first diagram जो हमें दिया हुआ है, vertical section of a tooth with one root canal, and the second diagram is vertical section through a molar tooth or with the two canal. So that diagram we will discuss later. आप एक बार इस पूरे को रिवाइज करिए, read it again and again, practice this diagram because this diagram is very important to draw the diagram for the labeling, for the different kind of questions. And please do exercise 1 in your notebook and share with me. Till then, take care. Goodbye.